Kilpatrick is currently trying to get paroled from state prison, where he's serving time in connection with his perjury conviction, and he's facing a federal indictment for racketeering. He still owes the city of Detroit over $860,000 in restitution, and now the state wants him to cough up nearly $1 million more. In a civil action just filed, Michigan Secretary of State Ruth Johnson is asking Kilpatrick's campaign fund to pay back over $976,000 used for legal fees. The money was used for lawyers who defended Kilpatrick in his criminal perjury case and in his assault on Wayne County Sheriff's deputies who tried to serve him a subpoena. The lawyers were paid from Kilpatrick's campaign fund. By law, that money is only supposed to be used for costs related to his elected office. But the Secretary of State says the big legal bills Kilpatrick paid were for his own personal business. In the perjury case, Ruth Johnson uses Kilpatrick's own words as proof. In a deposition, Kilpatrick said he lied on the witness stand about his affair with then Chief of Staff Christine Beatty because, quote, "I thought it was more important to protect my wife, and so I did not tell the truth about that." And the Secretary of State says that assault on sheriff's deputies had nothing to do with his official duties as mayor either. Kilpatrick's attorney, Jim Thomas, had argued earlier that it was okay for the ex-mayor to use campaign funds for legal fees because donors had given the money to keep him in office. And if he was convicted of a crime, he would be removed as mayor, which, of course, he was. Kilpatrick could have gotten off much easier. Former Secretary of State Terry Lynn Land offered to settle with him for a $1,000 fine, but the ex-mayor never acted on that offer. Now the new Secretary of State has taken a fresh look and wants more than $900,000 back. The case will be decided by a state hearing officer. No date has been set for that hearing. From the newsroom, Scott Lewis, Channel 7 Action News.